Have you ever felt like love and success are just out of reach, no matter how hard you try? Like there's some secret code to happiness that everyone else seems to know but you? The truth is, you're not alone. So many of us struggle to find love and create the lives we dream of, believing it takes extraordinary effort or some kind of magical luck. But what if I told you that attracting the love and success you desire is actually far simpler than you think? What if you could unlock a hidden power within yourself that makes manifesting your dreams not just possible, but easy? So get ready to change everything you thought you knew about attracting abundance and joy into your life. Because today, we're about to reveal the surprisingly simple truth about manifesting your best life. And it all starts with changing your perspective. The world around you, your experiences, your relationships, your successes, and even your perceived failures, they all begin with a single seed: your beliefs. What you believe to be true about yourself and the world becomes your reality. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe you're worthy of love, you'll radiate that energy and attract a loving partner. If you believe you're capable of success, you'll take the steps needed to achieve your goals. But what if your beliefs are holding you back? We all carry limiting beliefs, those negative thoughts that whisper, "You're not good enough, you'll never find love," or "Success is for other people." These beliefs are like invisible barriers, preventing you from reaching your full potential. The good news is that you have the power to change those beliefs. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, you can cultivate a new mindset that supports your dreams and aspirations. Start by becoming aware of the negative thoughts that pop up. When you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not worthy of love," challenge that thought with a positive affirmation like, "I am deserving of love and I am open to receiving it." The more you practice positive affirmations and focus on your desired outcome, the stronger your new beliefs will become. It's like planting a new seed in your mind and nurturing it with love and attention. As your new beliefs take root, you'll start to see shifts in your reality. You'll attract new opportunities, meet new people, and feel more confident in your abilities. Your mind is incredibly powerful. It can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. By choosing to believe in yourself and your dreams, you unleash a force that can transform your life. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. As you shed your limiting beliefs and accept a more positive outlook, you'll find yourself attracting the love and success you've always desired. Don't be afraid to dream big and set audacious goals. Your beliefs are the foundation upon which your dreams are built. Believe in yourself, believe in your potential, and believe in the power of the universe to conspire in your favor. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. It all starts with believing that it's possible. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and start cultivating a mindset that will propel you towards your dreams. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Your beliefs are not set in stone. They can be changed, and with each new belief, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Accept the power of your mind and start creating the reality you desire. The love and success you seek are waiting for you, just on the other side of your limiting beliefs. Take a moment to reflect on the beliefs that have been holding you back. Identify the negative thoughts that have been whispering in your ear and challenge them with positive affirmations. Affirm your worthiness, your capabilities, and your potential. As you begin to shift your mindset, you'll start to see a ripple effect in your life. The universe will respond to your new vibration, bringing you opportunities and experiences that align with your newfound beliefs. You'll become a magnet for love, success, and abundance. This is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to rewire your brain and create new neural pathways. But with patience and perseverance, you'll cultivate a mindset that supports your dreams and propels you towards the life you've always imagined. The power to create your reality lies within you. It all starts with the power of belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the infinite possibilities that await you. The world is yours for the taking. The universe is a symphony of energy. Everything you see, touch, taste, and even the thoughts you think are vibrating at different frequencies. This is the law of vibration, a fundamental principle that governs how energy interacts and attracts similar energy. It's like a cosmic dance where everything is interconnected and responding to the vibrations it emits. Your thoughts and emotions are not just abstract concepts, they're powerful energy waves. When you feel joy, gratitude, or love, you emit a high vibration that resonates with abundance and positivity. On the other hand, when you experience fear, anger, or resentment, your vibration lowers, attracting more of the same into your life. This isn't just about wishful thinking or positive affirmations. It's about understanding the very fabric of reality. The law of vibration shows us that we are not passive recipients of fate, but active creators of our lives. By choosing our thoughts and emotions wisely, we can consciously raise our vibration and attract the experiences, relationships, and opportunities we desire. Visualization is a powerful tool that harnesses the law of vibration to manifest your dreams. It's about creating a clear mental picture of your desired reality and immersing yourself in the emotions of having already achieved it. This isn't just about daydreaming. It's about using your imagination to program your subconscious mind and align your energy with your goals. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of your ideal life. See yourself in a loving relationship, enjoying your dream job, or living in your perfect home. Feel the emotions of happiness, gratitude, and fulfillment as if it were already happening. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. The key is to feel as if your desire has already manifested. This is where the magic happens. By feeling the emotions of your desired outcome, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe, aligning your vibration with your goals. This creates a magnetic pull that attracts the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will help you bring your vision to life. Visualization isn't a quick fix or a magic wand. It's a daily practice that requires commitment and consistency. But with dedication, it can be a game changer, transforming your mindset, raising your vibration, and propelling you towards your dreams. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform your life in profound ways. When you express gratitude, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what you already have. This simple shift raises your vibration, making you a magnet for more abundance and joy. Think of gratitude as a muscle that gets stronger with use. The more you practice gratitude, the more easily it flows through you, permeating every aspect of your life. It's like opening a window to let sunshine into a dark room, illuminating all the blessings that surround you. Start by making a list of things you're grateful for. It could be anything from the simple pleasures of a warm cup of coffee to the deep connections you have with loved ones. As you write, feel the warmth of gratitude spreading through your body. Allow yourself to truly appreciate the goodness that exists in your life. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. Start a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. The more you practice gratitude, the more it becomes a natural state of being, attracting more abundance and positivity into your life. On your journey to manifestation, you may encounter obstacles in the form of doubt, fear, and impatience. These are common blocks to manifestation that can lower your vibration and hinder your progress. Doubt can creep in, whispering that your dreams are too big or that you're not worthy of them. Fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking the necessary steps to achieve your goals. Impatience can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing you to give up on your dreams. To overcome these obstacles, you must first become aware of them. Recognize when doubt, fear, or impatience are holding you back. Acknowledge their presence without judgment, and then gently release them. One powerful way to let go of resistance is through mindfulness. Observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. Allow them to come and go like clouds passing through the sky. Focus on your breath, anchor yourself in the present moment, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Affirmations can also be helpful in overcoming resistance. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them throughout the day. For example, If you're struggling with doubt, you might say, I believe in myself and my ability to achieve my dreams. Letting go of resistance is a process, not an event. Be patient with yourself and trust that you have the inner strength to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. By releasing resistance, you open yourself up to the flow of abundance and allow your dreams to manifest effortlessly. Manifesting your dreams is not a passive process. It's an active collaboration with the universe. While positive thinking and visualization are essential, they are just the beginning. To truly bring your desires into reality, you must take inspired action that aligns with your goals. Think of it this way. Your thoughts and feelings are the seeds you plant, but action is the water and sunlight that nurture those seeds and help them grow. Without action, your dreams remain dormant, waiting for the spark of movement to bring them to life. Inspired action comes from a place of intuition and inner knowing. It's not about forcing things or following a predetermined plan. It's about listening to your gut feeling and following the path that feels right for you. It's about taking those small steps that feel aligned with your vision, even if you don't know where they will lead. Pay attention to the synchronicities and opportunities that present themselves. These are signs from the universe guiding you towards your desired outcome. Trust your intuition and take action when it feels right. Sometimes the smallest steps can lead to the biggest breakthroughs. Alignment is the key to unlocking the full power of manifestation. It means that your thoughts, feelings, and actions are all working together in harmony to bring your desires into reality. It's like tuning an instrument so that all the strings vibrate at the same frequency, creating a beautiful melody. When your thoughts, feelings, and actions are aligned with your vision, you create a powerful energetic vortex that attracts your desired outcome. This is why it's important to focus on thoughts and emotions that match the frequency of what you want. The more you can embody the feeling of having already achieved your goals, the faster they will manifest. But alignment goes beyond just thoughts and feelings. It also includes your actions. If you're dreaming of a successful career, but spending all your time on activities that don't support that goal, you're creating a misalignment. Your actions must be congruent with your desires in order to create the momentum needed for manifestation. Raising your vibration is essential for alignment. The higher your vibration, the more easily you attract the people, circumstances, and opportunities that align with your dreams. You can raise your vibration through practices like gratitude, meditation, and spending time in nature. Alignment is an ongoing process. It's about making conscious choices that move you closer to your goals, even when it's challenging. By staying committed to your vision and taking aligned action, you create a powerful magnetic field that draws your dreams into reality. In the dance of manifestation, there's a delicate balance between focused intention and surrender. While we set clear goals and take inspired action, we must also learn to let go of the need to control every detail of the outcome. When we cling too tightly to our desires, we create resistance, blocking the flow of abundance into our lives. Think of it like planting a seed. You carefully prepare the soil, plant the seed, and water it. But you don't dig it up every day to check on its progress. You trust that nature will do its work, and in due time, the seed will sprout and grow into a beautiful plant. Similarly, when we set our intentions and take action, we must learn to trust the process of manifestation. This means releasing our attachment to a specific outcome and having faith that the universe will deliver what is in our highest good. Surrendering control doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means trusting that the universe has a plan for you that is far greater than you can imagine. It's about having faith that things will unfold in the perfect way and at the perfect time. When you let go of control, you create space for miracles to happen. You allow the universe to work its magic, bringing you opportunities and experiences that you never could have orchestrated on your own. This is where the true power of manifestation lies. So, as you move forward on your journey of manifestation, recall to trust the process. Let go of the need to control every detail and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Surrender to the flow of life and watch as your dreams unfold in the most beautiful and unexpected ways. As we reach the end of our journey together, I want you to recall one thing. You have the power within you to create the life you desire. The love, success, and happiness you seek are not out of reach. They are waiting for you to align with them, to believe in them, and to take inspired action towards them. Throughout our time together, we've explored the fundamental principles of manifestation. We've looked into the power of belief, the law of vibration, the art of visualization, the practice of gratitude, the importance of overcoming resistance, taking aligned action, and surrendering to the process. These are not just concepts, they are tools that you can use to shape your reality. By understanding and applying these principles, you can attract the love and success you deserve. Now is the time to take the next step. Put these teachings into practice and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the power of the universe to conspire in your favor. The journey is yours to take, and the possibilities are endless. If this video has resonated with you, please show your support by giving it a like. And if you're ready to look deeper into the world of manifestation, consider subscribing to stay updated on future content that will help you unlock your full potential. You are the creator of your reality. The power to manifest your dreams is within you. Now go out there and create the life you've always imagined.